Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Robinhood Gold for margin risk awareness, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Robinhood app and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to find investing. Select Robinhood Gold. In the Robinhood Gold section, review the benefits associated with margin trading. To enable margin trading, you must first agree to the margin agreement. Read through the terms carefully before proceeding. Tap the Get Started button to continue. Verify your identity by providing the required information. This may include your social security number and date of birth. Once your identity is verified, you will be directed to the settings. Here, you can review your margin limits. Take note of the amount of margin available to you. Set your risk parameters by navigating to Margin Settings. This will allow you to configure alerts for margin usage. Enable notifications to stay informed about your margin. Be aware of your buying power, which may change daily. Review your portfolio to see how margin impacts your positions. Consider using a conservative approach to margin trading. Regularly monitor your investments to avoid margin calls. Understand the risks involved in margin trading fully before making decisions. Utilize Robinhood's educational resources for further learning. Continue to adjust your risk settings as needed based on your trading experience. Stay informed about market conditions that can affect your margin risk. Reassess your approach periodically as your financial situation evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.